Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful marketing strategies to boost your business. Let's jump right in. Content marketing is all about creating valuable content that builds trust and authority. Blogs, videos, social media, keep it relevant and engaging. Utilize social media ads and influencers, target ads effectively, and partner with influencers for wider reach and credibility. Optimize with SEO. Improve your website's visibility and credibility. It's a game changer for organic traffic. Email marketing and automation, personalized messages, automate tasks, and boost efficiency. It's like having a 20-half-to marketing team. Enhance customer experience. Satisfied customers are your best marketers. Focus on exceptional service and support. Thanks for joining us. Remember, it's about building relationships. Stay tuned for more tips. Happy marketing, everyone.